2 pineapples, 2 mangoes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this episode of Giving Back to the Community, we are going to Kasoa, Ghana, which is about an hour outside of Accra, to go to the Good Shepherd Orphanage. And I'm taking you guys with me, so come along.
This is a size large.
500 men.
500 men.
Making a difference.
500 men. So this is the organization that's paying for the renovation. Great group of men. Well, I only met like 5 of them. Met them here in Ghana, and now we're locked in. Okay, this is a medium. Even though I'm a woman.
Part of me.
500 men plus 1 woman. You could play Anita Baker.
Okay, so I'm sure you guys are wondering, why are we going to Kasoa and what is happening out there? So let me tell you. This past December, I had the pleasure of meeting a group of men who are part of a non-profit organization called 500 Men. They are based in New York City, and my friend Taylor introduced me to them.
Can I get bananas and pineapple cut too, please? Sorry? They get the content.
The medium?
Yeah. This is Mr. Richie and this is Taylor. Taylor is now the president of the Ghana chapter for 500 Men, and Mr. Richie is on the board of the Good Shepherd Orphanage. And this is what coming together, community, and networking looks like. Using each other for the greater good.
And this is a great way to start my meal, my day. Giving back and eating food. And supporting locals.
As you guys can see, I'm the youngest of this group currently, but one thing I love about living here in Ghana is the beautiful blend of friendships that I've made throughout the years. Different age groups, but all coming back to the motherland for one purpose, or many purposes rather. Definitely many purposes, because this is one, and this is the connection that we all have, is wanting to give back to our brothers and sisters and our nieces and nephews. Now we finally arrived at the Good Shepherd Orphanage. Again, that is about an hour outside of Accra. And just being here made me want to give so much more to these children.
Thank you. What y'all eating? Cookie? How old do you think I am? 50. How old do you think I am? 49.
Guys, please forgive me because we had some technical difficulties with our camera and our mic. So you are going to see some very close-up videos. But that doesn't matter. We are here for the children. We are here to give back.
27? Yes. 28. Too bad I won't tell none of you guys my age.
I'm going to guess 34.
We just will keep that to ourselves. Wait, who said I think? She thinks I'm 30. 200? 20. 21. 19. 18.
Seeing them all excited for this drone made me so happy, because what I take for granted is a luxury to them, and it made me appreciate what I have more. You can learn a lot from children.
It looks like a bird. So we're letting the men figure that part out, and then when it's time for me to join, I was going, hi! Hi! It's the same. So cute! Wow, I'm sweating already. So what you gonna say? gotta say something. Amen.
That's right, I'm coming down.
Say that again.
If anybody guess my age, I'll give them 20 cities. Hold on. You. Okay, step to the side. You. Step to the side. I'm not gonna give the prize out yet. You.
Oh.
Step to the side.
75. Hold on, let me get out of here. This is dusty. Sorry.
You.
75 is. He's near. All right, guess how old I am. Guess how old I am.
Guess her age. One at a time.
You know, usually I see people posting videos and the children react like this and it seems as if like they're starving. But no, these kids are just excited and happy to be there and happy to have something new and visitors. This is the current state of the cafeteria / food hall where the children meet up and eat. And we are starting with the ceiling. So we're replacing the entire ceiling, the tile, we're gonna paint, add new fans, air conditioning, everything you can think of, just to make it more comfortable for them and safe also.
Hello. Are you happy? Yes. Good. Today we have our visitors here, 500 men. That's right. Wash your eyes because of the dust.
Okay.
Good. That's great.
All right, jump into my arms.
So once Taylor told me that this was the mission that they were on, and as I stated in my previous video, I grew up always being of service to my community, also attending high school for public service. I knew this was something that I immediately wanted to jump on. 1, my friends are involved. 2, giving back to the community. 3, how could you not want to help these beautiful children? 4, me being in the food industry, we're working on a kitchen, is just like a no-brainer to me. Even though I didn't contribute financially, showing up, getting my hands dirty, and engaging with the children was a meaningful way to support.
For the ceiling, then we buy the materials, then we start. So hopefully,
We start building.
Yeah, we start doing the ceilings, doing the electrical work, adding the lights. Mr. Saki will probably give us some ideas on where they want some new sockets for the projector and just charging ports, and then we're pretty much good to go.
So we're adding new fans, air condition, a projector, sockets,
and seating for the dining hall because they need to sit and eat. So the ceiling should take about 7 days.
So when are we coming back here?
We can come anytime we want.
So we're gonna source the materials in our car, or we're gonna get it from here?
We're gonna try and source it closer
to town. Yeah.
Well, we got this big old mighty truck.
No, I got my work trucks, so we're gonna.
Oh yeah, you got work trucks. Okay.
Don't volunteer my truck. It's the home truck.
All right. Well, I'm excited. It was good to finally see you.
Let me get you a shirt.
I'm excited to see what's next. I can't wait to see the final product. It is a process. You got to trust the process. So today was the first day that we broke down the ceiling. And then we're going to buy materials. We're going to change the flooring. We're going to add in seating. We're going to add in sockets, projectors, all like what Kofi, aka Taylor, just said. And we're just creating a better environment for these kids because they deserve it.
Thank you.
Stay tuned.
Bless
for having
you.
me.
So I
You'll
think
see me again.
Yeah, all right. Thank you. So I think the workers will be in by tomorrow or next tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll come back again whenever.
You come with them.
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay.
So you'll see more of me.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
One thing about it, guys, when you are on a mission and when you're intentional, there is going to be obstacles in the way, okay? The struggle I have had to be consistent with these videos, and not on my part because I have done these videos and they were ready, but just uploading them and downloading them was just not possible. And that's how I know I am heading for greatness when it comes to my YouTube channel, because there's always going to be obstacles in the way when you're heading for greatness. There is always a test. But guys, that sums up this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Hopefully the next video is done properly, correctly, and on time. Stay with your girl, okay? We are figuring this out together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye.